Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. On this video we're going to do a short video about what's in the box. This is Diode Dynamics Performance Lighting Technology. This is the LED boards and the controllers. This is the multicolor LED drivers. This is the LED boards, and this is a Bluetooth RGB controller. And I want to mention that this is separate. You got to buy this. This is a kit. This is about $80 for the LED boards, and the Bluetooth RGBW controller. Let's see, I believe it was $50. But these are separate. You need them both in order to run it. Okay, these are the This is what's in the box. You got two of these for each headlight. You got the little jumper wire that runs between the two, one headlight to the other. These are LED boards. I hope it's focusing. And you got your wire connectors. And an install sheet. So do not plug directly into LED. Connect to, in other words, don't wire them directly to the 12-volt power. You got to run it through a driver unit. Okay, here's where you connect your 12-volt. This is all your wires that come off. It goes into the diesel plug right directly into your drivers. This is a connector where you plug in your LED boards. I also want to mention this Bluetooth controller has 4 leads off of it, and you're only going to need 2 for your halo rings. It's up in the headlights. And you can add 2 more to your bottom fog lights if you want to add them. So I haven't ordered the halo rings for the fog lights, but I'll probably get them ordered here pretty soon. But we'll go ahead and get this kit put in. Try it out. But this is just a quick video to let you know what all's in the box. So you do have to buy these separately, and you do need them both. So this first kit, which is the drivers here and LED boards, that was $80, and this was $50. So keep that in mind when you order this kit, so you can make sure you get them together. I'm not sure you can even run this kit without the Bluetooth controller. It'd be about like these LED lights I have back here. You'll be able to control just one color at a time. So you can just switch just one color at a time. You have all the colors on, it makes a white light. But these LEDs here don't have any controllers on it. So you just got to switch them individually. So I'm not sure you could do that with this or not. But you really need the Bluetooth controller so you can connect it to your cell phone and use it with your app. There's a Diode Dynamics app that you put on your phone that you can pick out. Who knows how many different colors you can put on that. But anyway.